A comparison table like this is a great way to let your customer compare products and services. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this simple yet stunning comparison table in your own WordPress website. So let's get into it. Alright, now I'm in the Gutenberg editor. The first thing I'm going to do is to add the table block. Let's type in here and type table to insert the table block. Now you can enter the number of columns and rows for the table. In my case, it's going to be 4 columns and then 10 rows. Click create table. And there you go. This is the basic version of the table. If you go to the right hand side of the screen, you can enable a header section and also footer section. This is completely optional, but I'm going to use them. You can also customize the styles of the table. You can change the styles, the background, typography, and also the thickness of the table. But in my case, I'm not going to change that, so let's use the vanilla version of the table. Anyway, let's say this is a hypothetical car detailing company that offers 3 levels of services, which is essential, and then there is also standard and premium. And there you go. Now this is going to be the features, and I'm going to start populating this table. Let's say this one is exterior wash. And after that, I want to insert a checkmark sign on this table cell. But I don't know the shortcut for that on my keyboard, so I'm going to use a service like copycharacter.cc to display or to get the checkmark sign. So I'm going to find checkmark, and after that, I'm going to copy, let's say this one. It will be automatically copied to your clipboard. Let's go back to the editor. I'm going to press Ctrl V on my keyboard to paste the special character. Now it's here, but I think it is better to put it in the middle. So let's click this alignment and then make sure to choose align column center. And I will do the same for the other 2 table cells. Alright, there you go. Okay, there are still 9 more rows that I have to fill up, and I don't want to bore you, so through the magic of editing, let's see the final result.
One eternity later.
Alright, this is the final result of the table. It looks simple, but it communicates the services good enough that people can understand them. But if you don't want to use a special character like this, you can also use emoji. So I think if you are familiar with emoji, this is a good alternative to the traditional special characters. If you're using Windows to get emoji, you just need to press Windows and then dot. It will display plenty of images you can use on your website. If you're using Mac, then the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl, Command, and Space. And I think your visitor will appreciate this design because it is simple, but also the one that they are quite familiar with. But there's also another alternative, which is by using a special icons. Like this example, I'm using the tiny icon of a car. It's probably too small, but I think you can see it here. And I think this is a great way to maintain design and consistency across your pages. So if you want to know how to insert special icons into a table cell, then check out this video and I'll see you there.